Welcome to Masala Flavors. Follow us for authentic Goan and Mangalorian recipes. Today we be preparing Christmas special eggless plum cake. Take a bowl. Add some black raisins, tutti frutti, candied cherry, roughly chopped cashew nuts, beans, almonds. Then mix well. Now add orange juice. Soak overnight or at least for 4 to 5 hours. Take a bowl. Add milk, oil, vanilla essence, nutmeg, Jaiphal powder, cinnamon, dalchini powder, dried ginger powder, and mix well. Now add maida, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda in a sieve and strain into the wet mixture. Then mix well. Now add jaggery syrup and mix well. Now add soaked dry fruits mixture and mix well. Now add vinegar and use cut and fold method to combine the mixture well. Line up a baking tin with butter paper and transfer the batter into it. Tap the tin well. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes and bake the cake at 180 degrees centigrade for about 50 to 55 minutes. Let the cake cool down completely and loosen the edges. Flip over the cake into a dish, and freshly baked plum cake is ready for Christmas. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.